This one's pretty good. Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. If you've never seen liquid plastic bond two things together in just 4 seconds, then your mind's about to be blown. This is an LED liquid plastic welding kit, and it can fix and repair almost anything that normal glue cannot keep up with. What you see here is him squeezing out the liquid plastic, but it does not harden or solidify until it's exposed to the UV light on the other side of the pin. This stuff is crazy. You can fix phone chargers, broken toys, jewelry, glasses, or your favorite heels. The liquid plastic will never dry out, and it cures in just 4 seconds.
If you're paranoid like me and want to protect your information, then you gotta check out this roller. It's a huge time saver and a great alternative to a shredder. I use it on voided checks, junk mail, online packages, as well as medicine bottles. One of my favorite must-haves to protect your info.
Car must-haves from Amazon. This pink trash can be clipped around your center console so you can easily throw away any garbage that you might make while you're driving. The material inside is really easy to clean, so it's fine for liquid spills too. I also love this clip that you can attach directly to the back of your seat. It's great for holding your purse or shopping bags you want to be able to easily grab. Like for part 2.
Stuff you actually need, part 26. This is my travel lamp, and it's such a good way to get better light out of your phone. You just take the lamp, stretch it over your phone, and then make sure that it's over the light. This literally lights up an entire dark room. And it's so cute!
Random things I got off Amazon part 23. Some glass straws. I mean, they look cute. They're good for the environment. It's a win-win, and they come with a little cleanie stick thing. This really cute light blue workout top. I buy these in hopes that it'll give me motivation to work out, but we'll see. I really like the back on this one though. A makeup brush. I really love how this one blended out my foundation. I think it looked really natural and all like cakey. Yeah, 10 out of 10 purchase. Am I the only one who never knew inflatable chairs existed? Well, here's one that my brother uses to game on. Yeah, that's fun. I call this an on-the-go razor. I never knew I needed this my whole life. Like, you can just pull it out if you missed a spot shaving, be like, okay, got it. No water needed. Really convenient for those times where you're like, I really need a razor, but I'm not at home. Or a disco ball, because I was driving with my best friend. I was like, dude, we just need a disco ball. So here we are. I got it and I'm obsessed with it. A toothbrush dispenser. They just make me feel a lot fancier than I really am. And you just put your toothbrush in, it dispenses the toothpaste. It also has cups and a little rag holder. I don't know. I just find these really cool. If you get elastic stuck in your hair and then you try to cut them out with scissors, but accidentally end up cutting a chunk of your hair, this is for you. Just hook the elastic and it breaks it and doesn't break any of your hair with it. Some skincare I've been loving lately. If you like hydrated, dewy skin, this is amazing and I've been obsessed with it. Okay, bye.